Okay, moving on to the pound yen now. Um, we obviously saw a big drop on this one on Thursday as the mistake on Wall Street unfolded, and obviously the pound was weak going into the election. So we saw like a 1200 pip range here, basically, yeah, just over 1200 pips actually. So that's a huge range again. Even during this sort of whole the unfolding of the credit crunch back in 2008, I think we probably struggled to get 1200 pips in one day. I think that really is a massive day. Um, Probably looking somewhere about here, 159.82. Um, the low here was 140. Okay, so we had 1900 pips in a day there. So obviously we've not seen moves like this anyway since the sort of unfolding of the credit crunch. Really, a really big day. So it's a shame this all kind of happened when I was in Vegas because you can see we had the sort of only bullish thrust here. The low was removed to the close and I made a quick retest and that kind of signalled the failure. Um, but I think anyway we still need to make this first target, which is 125.30. And if we look at this on the weekly chart now, we have finally broken this lower bat support, which was the 131.96, and almost tested the TDST support at 129.59. So by the way things are looking, we're going to close below this 137.66 level, which is the actual thrust bar of the TDF buy setup as well. So quite a significant level, this one. So I'd be looking to sell this level anytime this week. Anytime we're above this level, I think we'll start to struggle. So that's where I'd be looking to sell. And then also on the monthly, if we stay below here on the monthly, then 139.38, a retracement at that level next month wouldn't be out of the question, and it wouldn't be bad for the market either. It would just get more sellers in. Um, so basically now the Fibbo's been flipped. We got to get up to the 138.32 level to qualify for the sell setup. So hopefully we see that in the next week or two, and then we can hopefully start to head lower here. A first target there of about 110, I think. So yeah, it looks as though the sort of bear has come back into play on this pair, and basically on the pound. We'll see the same on the pound dollar, but as I say there, it was just a shame that we missed that one. I don't know if anybody else maybe followed it. Using the sort of stuff that I usually look for. If not, though, I don't think the opportunity is missed anyway. I just think it means now that this pair's finally sort of come to life after that sort of range that we had up at the top there. So hopefully now we can maybe get in at the 137.66, or possibly even next month, or even this month, the 139. 38 level there. So I mean, I wouldn't be too worried if the price went above this 137.66 for a day or two next week. I don't think the bulls will be able to hold it there going into the close of the week. We've also removed the TDST support to the close here, so it's another bearish signal. So yeah, so basically looking bearish on this one now, and I would look this week to the 137.66 level as a selling opportunity. As I said in the euro when I was speaking about the euro pound, quite possibly we could see gaps again in this market. There has obviously been talks going on over the weekend regarding the outcome of the election and coalitions and what have you. So, there could be some stuff here for the pound, whether it's good or bad, we don't know yet. But technically, anyway, at the moment, it's looking like we're going to close below that 137.66, which would then be the new selling level here. Okay, cheers.